Everyone, today we're going to have a look at accounting principle. Accounting principles are the rules and guidelines that companies must follow when they're reporting their financial data. There are three types of accounting principle. There are cost principle, matching principle, and revenue recognition principle. For today, we're going to go and understand the revenue recognition principle. So what is revenue recognition principle? The revenue recognition principle states that the company should only record revenue when it has been earned and not when the cash is collected. So in the simple terms, you can understand it as you can only record your revenue when you have finished delivering your services. There are two possibilities where revenue recognition is occurred. It is either accrued revenue or deferred revenue. So what do I mean by this? Let's jump into some examples and find out. In example 1, on the 1st of January, a cleaning company agreed to clean a house by the end of January for $200. By the end of January, they provided their cleaning services and received their cash on February. The companies then record their revenues on January and not February. This is an example of an accrued revenue. It is where the services are provided before the cash is earned. For the second example, now, still that cleaning company, they agreed to clean a house by the beginning of February for $200, but this time, the companies received their $200 right on January, which means before they provide their cleaning services by the beginning of February. The cleaning company now record their revenue on February and not January. This is now a deferred revenue where cash is received before the services are provided. And that is what revenue recognition is all about. Thank you for today. See you next time.